Need some epic pranks to keep in your back pocket? You'll love these, as long as you're not on the receiving end. I haven't eaten for hours. I didn't know we have these. Hello, sugary goodness. No? Any food in here? Is there any snackage in here? How about in here? Ugh. What? What's that? Looks like we've got a nasty prank on our hands. Start by putting the bar of soap in the microwave. That thing's melting like butter. That looks about done. Let the pranking commence. Check it out, Jake. Wow! Where'd you get that? Let's trade. Yes! 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 I haven't had cotton candy in forever.
Whoa.
My mouth's watering already. Wait.
What?
This tastes terrible! Get this off my tongue! Ugh! I hate you, Grace! Love you too, bro! But I love these more. Oh, is that a bottle? This calls for the bottle flip challenge! Aw, come on! Right there. At this angle. Okay, here we go. Seriously? Oh, what a fail. But unlike Jake, some guys get it right on the first try. I bet I could do it again with my eyes closed. What? Okay, one more. Boom, baby! Does the liquid have to do with it? Nope. There's a secret ingredient. Baking soda. Wow. Pour a tablespoon and screw the cap on. Then shake it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes! And double yes! That really works! Drinking a soda too, huh? Well, mine's a little different than yours. Whoa! It's like molasses or something. I don't know whether to drink it or play with it. I bet I could pull some nasty pranks with this. Huh? Whoa! Did that come out of your soda? What? Dude, you gotta show me how. Say hello to the secret ingredient.
Wow.
Wanna find out how?
Yes.
Pour the glue into the bottle of Coke.
Okay.
It'll fall to the bottom at first. Like a long, creepy snake. When it's full, put the cap back on. And now for the funnest part. What? Shaky, shaky. Is it mixing together? Whoa! Careful there, Grace. Ooh, I gotta go. Hold on to your hats, kids! There she blows! Bet you didn't see that one coming! Jake! Whoa! Mondays, man. I can't even bear to open my eyes. I think this one's mine. Let's get this show on the road. Huh? Did the toothpaste explode or something? Or did Grace just get messy? Gross. Hey, wanna explain yourself? Not really. I'm so late. Looks like we're almost out of eggs. Better make these last two count, right? For this prank, squeeze out some toothpaste onto the egg. Now spread it all around the egg. It's best to use your toothbrush. Then put it right back into the carton. Don't forget the other one. This is gonna be so good. See you guys soon. I'm starved. My eggs! Are they supposed to look like this? Sometimes eggs are brown, but yellow? Something's up with these guys. Whoa! They're like gummy. Does this mean they've gone bad? Can I still eat them? I wonder if I could get them to pop. They kinda remind me of eyeballs. I see you! Hey! Hey, Jake! Pretty shocking, aren't they? Check it out! Let's see if this sucker can bounce. Did you see that? Awesome! It's 8 o'clock, which means it's showtime. I've been waiting all week for this. Whoa, look at that car! Where did the power go? Looks like I'll have to catch the rerun. I wonder what Grace is doing. Your power out too, man? Hello? My battery's dead too? This night is getting worse and worse. Someone once told me apples can charge up. I think I'm missing a piece of the puzzle. I know! Have 2 apples? And a quarter? Stab it into the side of the apple. Really push it in there. Do the same with the other apple. Now rub the apples against each other. Feel that? Now rest a butter knife on top. And get a plug ready. And stab it in the apple like so. Now it's time to plug in your phone. Be careful! Yes! And that's how you juice up a battery. Anything to be able to talk to Kevin, right? Where's Grace? She left all her stuff out. Looks like she's pretty distracted. Nice! Well, if no one's coming in here, I may as well have a little fun. Let's see here. This brush is nice. Looking good, dude. Perfume? It's the fancy stuff. Is that gardenia? Chew! Whoopsies! 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 Grace is so gonna kill me! I've gotta think fast! Wait a minute. I know exactly what to do. I hope Grace doesn't notice. I saw this hack on TikTok! It's almost done, and… yes! Behold! The makeup mender. That's right. Get a load of this. Let's suck this mess up, shall we? That's pretty powerful for a blowdryer. Who knew you could turn it into a vacuum? Alright. Almost done. Oh, is that Grace? I gotta speed things up. Come on, little bits, get in there! Quick! Close the lid!
Hello? Anybody in here?
Whatever.
Think she saw me?
Think these pranks were epic? Try them out on your buddies. Be sure to subscribe to 123 Go Boys YouTube channel for more awesome videos like this one.